Hello guys, today we're checking out the GT50 drone, and this isn't just another cheap budget quadcopter. It feels like a complete little flyer made for everyday users who want a solid mix of features, easy controls, and enjoyable aerial footage without spending flagship money. Right out of the box, the build feels sturdy, with arms and frame strong enough to handle small bumps, so it doesn't come across like a fragile toy. Setup is refreshingly simple. Unfold the arms, install the battery, connect the controller app, and you're basically ready to fly. Once in the air, the GT50 delivers stable GPS-assisted hovering, smooth takeoffs, and predictable controls that beginners will find forgiving. For casual scenic flying or capturing family moments, it feels reliable and confidence-building. The camera is one of the standout highlights. It captures video and photos with better clarity than most drones in this price range, making the footage perfect for social media, travel clips, and everyday content. Colors look balanced, motion stays fairly smooth, and while it won't compete with high-end DJI gimbals, it performs surprisingly well for casual creators. Overall, the GT50 drone is a fun, capable, and polished option for anyone who wants stable flight, useful smart features, and solid aerial video without paying premium drone prices.